Okay, the title of this video might sound a bit dramatic, but I promise these tools from EaseUS are actually super useful for any music producer. It will help you mixing vocals, removing reverb, or changing pitch. Tool number 5 blew me away, by the way. So grab some pen and paper and open up EaseUS by clicking the link down below. Let's start with my favorite tool, the Echo and Reverb Remover. Usually tools like this don't work really well, but this one, it does. So you simply drag in your vocal with the reverb on. This is what it sounds like, by the way.
Can't nobody out here do it like me.
Now after a minute or something, you can see the results. Oh, and it also detects the BPM and key for you, by the way. Let's mute the reverb and see how it worked out.
Can't nobody out here do it like me. Ain't nobody out here winning like me. Can't nobody out.
That sounds really great. Of course, you still hear a little bit every now and then, but once you use this in a production, no one will notice it. This is what the reverb only sounds like. You can export both your tracks as a WAV file right here, by the way. Super awesome. Tool number 2, noise reducer. Usually tools like this make your track sound like it's underwater. Let's see if EaseUS can handle it. You can upload a link to your video or just upload a track from your computer. I have a small recording of me speaking with some noise in the background. Let's drop it in here and see the results. Disable the noise track, of course, and click the play button. And if you're not using these 5 free plugins, you're missing out. There you go. That sounds really good. Usually a noise reducer makes your audio sound like this, which is not good. But this one did more than just cut off the highs. EaseUS noise reducer passed. Tool number 3, the Key and BPM Finder. My god, this one is useful. You can drag any song in here you want. Look at that. This is real time, by the way. That's why I always have this page open next to FL Studio. It works super fast and correct. Tool number 4, volume, pitch and speed changer. Let's say you want to drop the key of your song. This tool will handle it. Let me drag in the song King again and listen to what it sounds like originally.
I said microphone check. 1, 2. Can't nobody out here do it like me. Ain't nobody out here winning like me. Can't nobody out here do it like me. Just like me, like me.
Now let's push it 1 semitone up. Perhaps we can decrease the BPM a little to make it play a bit slower.
Can't nobody out here do it like me. Ain't nobody out here winning like me. Can't nobody out here do it like me. Just like me, like me. I'm one of a...
That sounds really natural. The elements are still there, and if you would hear the song this way for the first time, you wouldn't even notice. Let's try lowering it this time.
Like me. Can't nobody out here do it like me. Ain't nobody out here winning like me.
Yes, that sounds great. Obviously, when you overdo this, it won't sound good. But it's definitely worth trying on instruments only, for example. Tool number 5. This one blew me away. The Voice Studio. This is super cool. You can basically upload a song and then pick a singer you like. That singer will then sing your recording for you.
Oh, when I fall.
I like the voice of Scarlett, so let's see what she can do. Now, what I like to do first is isolate the vocals before doing this. That will give you the best result. So now it's done, and this is what we've got.
I know you're scared. Do you wanna hide away sometimes? I know you heard from everyone telling you lies.
That sounds cool, but of course we're not done yet. You can now download the vocals and put them in your DAW. I just did a rough mix, and this is what it sounds like.
I know you're scared. Do you wanna hide away sometimes? I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. I bet you just wanna lose your mind. You always got me. So just lay down beside me. Give me all your issues. I'll take them and I'll...
that sounds incredible. If you spend a little more time correcting, you're gonna get an amazing result. Tool number 6. This one is super useful for me. I make so many videos that I sometimes lose my scripts. So what helps me is the YouTube transcript generator. All you gotta do is paste a link from one of your own videos in here, click on Get Video Transcript, and there you go. Your transcript is ready for downloading. This tool is also free apparently, so that's cool too. Now, as you can see, they also have a vocal remover and stem splitter. This tool works extremely well, actually a lot better than the built-in FL Studio splitter. So to continue the lesson, click the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching.